Hi, my name is Claire and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ireland is currently in a period of social distancing, isolation, self-isolation and quarantine intermittently. I've completed 14 days of self-isolation / quarantine because we were showing symptoms of COVID-19, potential symptoms of COVID-19. We'll never know because we couldn't get tested. However, during that time I did discover an online vintage shop called Gullygarms, and I also went on a bit of an Everything5Pounds.com binge. So I did a haul video where I opened said packages and a number of people said they wanted to see a fashion show. So who am I to not give the people what they want? So here's how I would style all of those seemingly random pieces that I bought. These are my favourite leggings. I bought these leggings in, I want to say 2009. And I still have them. They're partly made from recycled bottles. It used to say that on the arse, but it's now worn off. And that's long before environmentalism was cool. Leggings now don't look the same, they don't feel the same, they don't wear the same. So I would wear them inside like this, or outside like this. I'd wear all of these tops with these leggings, and I'd finish this particular look with hiking boots to go up a mountain and steal your girl. But then for this top, I not only would wear it with those leggings, but I'd also wear it with these leggings. How cool are they? And then I'd pair it with blue runners. And some people might not be into the blue runners because they're not technically the same shade of blue, even though there is light blue flecked through the leggings, but whatever. I could also wear these with white runners. Hell yeah. I put this t-shirt on to go with these leggings, and then I realised I don't love wearing black and navy together, so even though they both got camouflage, I probably won't wear them like this. So then I went to wear this t-shirt as a dress, and this t-shirt is like technically too short for a dress. So what I'd wear this t-shirt with is back with the first pair of leggings, and I'd either tuck it in, or tie it up, or maybe even crop it. Might even get the scissors out. This t-shirt, however, is long enough to wear as a dress, and I would wear this t-shirt as a dress. And for the people that were asking me like, how the hell do you wear t-shirts as dresses? It's pretty simple. Put the t-shirt on, leggings off, knee length boots on, and look at me, I'm a 31-year-old Ariana Grande. Just like this XL Springboks rugby t-shirt that I wore when we went to the World Cup. I wore it as a dress and it looked great, if I do say so myself. Could also wear this as pajamas without shoes and pants, FYI. Just to further prove my point, look at this other jumper that I got in a charity shop sale for like 10 quid. And it was brand new, but it only available in XL, so I got it and I wear it as a dress. And if you want to take it down a notch, you could wear it with Ugg boots and just chill out, or put the leggings back on, but I didn't bother doing that for this clip. So now we're moving on to work clothes. I would take the structured leggings that I got from Everything5Pounds, and I would not wear them with that t-shirt. I would wear them with that top, the Ralph Lauren top from the Gullygarms order. Oh my God. It's missing something though, shoes. So I would add these pennies boots to this ensemble to finish it off. I will be wearing these pants with everything. It's very similar to my Nike leggings. Nike leggings. I hear it. I'm saying it. I'm owning it. I would also wear these structured leggings with this top. And I also got this top in grey, but I didn't bother trying it on. Oh, I also wanted to show you something else I got in a charity shop before this whole thing started that I'm absolutely in love with. Yeah, look at that. Whoa, class. And then this top here from the Gullygarms order, I would wear with the leggings from the Everything5Pounds.com order, but I would also wear them with my Nike leggings, my absolute favourite leggings in the whole world, and they're clean right now, so what I've done is I've put them on myself, and this is what I'm wearing today. However, I just checked the script that I had for this video, and I totally forgot to mention two very important things that I really wanted to mention here. This top I bought from ASOS for I think 90 British pounds before my wedding, because I thought I was going to wear it as the top half of my wedding dress. I didn't end up doing that, and I've never found a single occasion for where I can wear it or anything it goes with. So I'm gonna try it out with the skirt that I got from Everything5Pounds, and there's the result. Still on the lookout for something to go with that top, clearly. Last but not least, I wanted to show you this pair of amazing pants that I found while I was cleaning out my wardrobe. And isolation needs to end pretty quick so that I can find an occasion to wear these trousers. I wonder, before we go actually, what about those two together? Is that crazy? What about those two together? Yeah, no. Okay, bye. Do you want to see the carnage in here now that I've finished filming? This is why I don't do fashion videos ever, because the cleanup is horrendous.